I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is Tech Breakdown. Today we're talking all about function generators, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. So what is a function generator in electronics? A function generator is an electronic instrument that generates different types of waveforms. The most common waveforms generated by function generators are sine waves, square waves, triangle waves, and sawtooth waves. Function generators can produce these waveforms at varying frequencies, amplitudes, and offsets, allowing for extensive testing and analyzation of electronic circuits. There are a few types of function generators, including analog function generators, digital function generators, RF signal generators, and pulse generators. Function generators can be used in a wide range of applications, including circuit testing, signal simulation, compound characterization, education and research, and troubleshooting. Function generators have the ability to produce a wide range of waveforms with precise control over frequency, amplitude, and other parameters, which make them essential for testing, simulating, and analyzing electronic circuits and systems. For more on electronics, make sure you like and follow eDesignIt, and remember to visit edesignit.com.